Hi, Mitchell Levy, the AHA guy from AHAthat. And let me tell you about the marketing package. This is a package that complements an AHA book. So whether or not we actually do the ghosting for you or you write yourself, there's an opportunity to have more to help complement the book. First, books are in paperback format. They look like this, or hardcover format where they look like this. Great books. And what I want to do is show you what Josh Jones's book looks like as an AHA book. So let me switch over to share screen. And what you're going to see here, this is what an AHA book looks like. And I'm just going to scroll down to show you exactly where the marketing package applies. So what the marketing package entails is, one, we will create 2 videos. This is a video on how to read and share your book. And this one's about 1 or 2 minutes. And this one is how to automatically share your book with the AHA Blaster. That's about 4 to 5 minutes. We will custom create a video for your book. Then we will create, here you'll see 6 different images. So we'll take the AHA message, 5 of the best AHA messages that you like in your book, and we'll put them on a particular meme. So we'll put them in a background, and now we give this to you, and then obviously you could share it on Pinterest, Instagram, anywhere where images make sense. And the last thing we'll do is, for some people, so the more extended, the larger package, will actually create an article and then post it specifically on my LinkedIn profile, which have a large reach, and then we'll post there. So those are what's involved with the marketing package. Looking forward to seeing you on the AHAthat platform, and happy to help share your thought leadership. Bye now.